Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to crochet this Irish lace element called the simple flower. These elements can be used to fill the space between the main motifs. For this project, I used yarn 50% wool, 240 meters per 100 grams and a 3 mm crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around 2 fingers 5 times. Crochet single crochet stitches around the ring. 20 stitches. Join the round. One chain stitch. 1 single crochet. 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. 1 double crochet in 1 stitch. 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. One single crochet. Repeat the pattern. Pull the loop through from the back of the motif. This is the beautiful simple flower element I made. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Wishing you even stitches and a wonderful mood.